Hello students, this is Latif sir. Today I'll discuss about Icse class 8 chemistry. The topic is physical and chemical changes. Today I'll discuss about chemical changes. In previous video I have already discussed about different types of changes and about physical changes. Today I'll discuss about chemical change. So let's see what is the chemical change. A chemical change is a change in which there is a change in chemical composition of a substance to form a new product. Okay, so let's see what is the chemical change. Changes in which the original substance undergoes a change in its chemical compositions and hence a new substance is formed are called chemical change. Chemical changes means change in the chemical properties of of a substance due to the formation of new substance. Chemical change means a change in the chemical properties of a substance due to the formation of a new substance. Since a new substance is formed, its physical and chemical properties differ from the substance undergoing the chemical change. Okay, let's see main features of a chemical change. Let's see the main features of chemical change. First point, there is a change in the physical appearance as well as in the chemical composition of the substance. There is a change in the physical appearance as well as in the chemical composition of the substance. For example, when a cracker burst, a violent reaction takes place, and both its physical as well as chemical properties change. We cannot reverse the same cracker. Okay, second point, the original substance undergoes a change in which chemical composition in the original substance undergoes a change in its chemical composition and a new substance is formed. Hence this change is represented by a equation. That is, chemical change can be represented by an equation. This is because in chemical change one or more substances undergoing in a change to form one or more new substances. Next one, like physical change, there is no gain or loss of mass during a chemical change. Like physical change, there is no gain or loss of mass during a chemical change, and law of conservation of mass holds good for chemical changes too. And law of conservation of mass state that the total mass of reactant generally equal to the total mass of product. Okay, next one, chemical changes are usually difficult to reverse by physical methods. Chemical changes are usually difficult to reverse by physical method. Generally chemical changes are irreversible. Okay, next one, chemical changes involve a considerable amount of energy as compared to physical changes. Chemical changes involve a considerable amount of energy as compared to physical changes. This is because a chemical change involves the rearrangement of atoms and molecules. Let us again take the example of iron fillings and sulfur powder. If we heat this mixture, that is mixture of iron fillings and sulfur powder, yellow color sulfur powder, it undergoes a chemical change. When heated, iron fillings and yellow sulfur powder combine to form a new black substance called iron sulfide, and which neither gets an iron sulfide, the newly formed iron sulfide, which neither gets attracted by a bar magnet like iron attracts a bar magnet, but the product iron sulfide not attracted by a bar magnet, and uh, the product iron sulfide which neither gets attracted to a bar magnet nor it is yellow in color. Sulfur is yellow in color, but the new substance formed iron sulfide not attracted, nor neither gets attracted by a bar magnet nor it is a yellow in color. Okay, Next point, a chemical change is generally accompanied with specific characteristics like change in odor, change of color, formation of precipitate, evolution of gas, evolution or absorption of energy in terms of heat and light. If we take some piece of chalk in a beaker and add vinegar to it, you will observe the evolution of a gas, and uh, the gas formed is carbon dioxide. When chalk means generally calcium carbonate. Okay, when we add when a some piece of chalk in a beaker is reacted with vinegar, then you will observe the formation or evolution of a carbon dioxide gas. If we put iron nails in vinegar, we will again observe bubbles of gas, that is hydrogen gas will produce when iron nails react with vinegar. Vinegar means acetic acid. Now example of chemical change: rusting of iron, germination of seeds, huh, cooking of food, ripening of fruits, curdling of milk, bursting of cake cracker, combustion of fuel, action of medicine. All these are example of chemical change. For rusting of iron to take place, air and water are essential condition. Rusting of irons is the process of formation of rust on iron object, and rust is brownish red coating on iron object when iron object kept in open air for after few days. You will see that the formation of a coating or layer on the iron object, which is and the color of this coating is brownish red, and this coating is called rust, and the formation of rust is called process of formation of rust is called rusting. During combustion or burning, the substance combines with oxygen at high temperature, releasing heat and light. Now, several natural several natural phenomena like weathering of rocks, formation of soil, formation of fossil fuel, formation of rock, eruption and volcanoes, etc. all involves chemical change. All the biological process like photosynthesis, multiplication of cells, digestion of food, respiration, germination, etc. are chemical changes. All biological process are chemical changes. Many chemical changes are irreversible, however, some chemical changes also reversible. Generally, maximum chemical changes are irreversible, but some chemical changes are reversible also. For example, limestone, when heated in a closed vessel, is decomposed into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Limestone means calcium carbonate. When heated in a closed vessel, you will see the formation of calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. This is a chemical but reversible change. Huh. If the carbon dioxide gas formed is not removed, it combines back with calcium oxide to form calcium carbonate or limestone. So this is a reversible change, and the reversible change generally represented by a double-sided arrow. And the equation in this case, heating, that is heating of calcium carbonate, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide will form, and the reaction equation is calcium carbonate CaCO3 reversible arrow CaO calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. This reaction is reversible under closed system, but the same reaction is irreversible under open system. Similarly, formation of ammonia gas by the combination of hydrogen and nitrogen gas is a reversible change, and the equation is in the formation of ammonia gas by the combination of hydrogen and nitrogen gas, and the equation is 3H2 plus N2 implies 2NH3. And 3H2 means 3 hydrogen molecule plus N2. One nitrogen molecule implies double-headed arrow. This is because this is reversible change. Implies two NH3, two ammonia molecule. Okay, thank you.